In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in HubSpot. If you're new to workflows, think of them as automated sequences that move leads and customers through a consistent process, like sending follow-up emails, rotating leads, or updating properties, so you don't have to do repetitive tasks manually. We'll walk through the essential path to get a workflow up and running using HubSpot's built-in tools. Start by going to the left-hand pane in HubSpot and selecting Automation. From there, choose Workflows. This is the central hub where all your automations live. You'll see any existing workflows listed here, along with options to filter or search, even if your portal is blank. Don't worry, we're about to create a new one. Next, click Create Workflow. HubSpot will present 3 ways to build: from scratch, from a template, or with AI. From scratch gives you complete flexibility if you know exactly what you want. Templates are perfect for common use cases and best practice setups, and the AI option can help you quickly draft a workflow based on a goal or prompt, which you can still refine afterward. For this walkthrough, we'll choose From Template so you can see a few ready-made examples and how they're structured. Once you're in the template gallery, take a moment to preview different templates. Select Preview on any option to see its flow, enrollment criteria, actions, delays, and branching all laid out. This is a great way to understand what each automation does before you commit. As you browse, look for templates that match your objective, like re-engagement, lead nurturing, or post-form follow-up. The preview view helps you evaluate complexity and the steps involved so you can pick a solid starting point that needs minimal changes. When you found a good fit, click Choose Template. HubSpot will take you straight into the Steps editor. Here, you can configure the workflow to your needs and add or remove steps from the template. This is where you tailor details like timing, conditions, and actions to match your business rules. Feel free to rename steps for clarity, adjust delays to reflect your sales cycle, and simplify branches if you prefer a leaner flow. You can also review the enrollment logic shown in the editor and make sure it captures exactly who you intend to include. And there you go. By navigating to automation, selecting workflows, creating a workflow, exploring your options, previewing a template, and choosing it to customize in the editor, you've learned the essential path to building workflows in HubSpot. That's all. Now you're ready to explore and make it your own.